Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So KB5016632 is not installing. So how to fix these issues? So click to setting, go to setting, and scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and run Windows Update troubleshooter. Okay, and please wait few minutes, and then show what's the issues of the not updating. Then so guys, I give you command to repair your Windows corrupted file. Okay, so guys, this is command I will give you in description, so you just copy paste and type. So how to apply this command? Click to start button and type cmd, and right click to run as administrator. Okay, so you apply step by step. Okay, so you can copy and then only right click and then enter. So one by one, all four command you can apply, because this is corrupted Windows 11. So repair. Okay, I just minimize it, and guys, you disable your third party software. Okay, because new update, so antivirus has blocking, that's why it's not installed. So you just disable it. Actually, this is Windows Defender. This is not blocking the Windows update, but I'm just telling you. Okay, and guys, then guys, restart has finished install all. Okay, so